Hello, and welcome to VitaNLingo. I'm Diana, your new English teacher. Let's start learning together. I wake up early. I wake up early. I turn off the alarm. I turn off the alarm. I make my bed. I make my bed. I open the curtains. I open the curtains. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I wash my face. I take a shower every morning. I take a shower every morning. I brush my hair. I brush my hair. I dry my hands. I dry my hands. I put on some lotion. I put on some lotion. I put on my shirt. 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 I put on my shoes. I put on my shoes. I put on my shoes. I pick my clothes for today. I pick my clothes for today. I wear a warm jacket. I wear a warm jacket. I boil the water. I boil the water. I make a cup of coffee. I make a cup of coffee. I fry an egg. I fry an egg. I make some toast. I make some toast. I pour the milk. I pour the milk. I cut the banana. I cut the banana. I eat my breakfast. I eat my breakfast. I drink orange juice. I drink orange juice. I chop the onion. I chop the onion. I wash the vegetables. I wash the vegetables. I stir the soup. I stir the soup. I cook the rice. I cook the rice. I taste the soup. I taste the soup. I set the table. I set the table. I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes. I sweep the floor. I sweep the floor. I clean the carpet. I clean the carpet. I take out the trash. I take out the trash. I wipe the table. I wipe the table. I wash my clothes. I wash my clothes. I hang the clothes outside. I hang the clothes outside. I fold the clothes. I fold the clothes. I iron my shirt. I iron my shirt. I water the plants. I water the plants. I lock the door. I lock the door. I wait for the bus. I wait for the bus. I ride my bike. I ride my bike. I drive to work. I drive to work. I drive to work. I cross the street. I cross the street. I buy a ticket. I buy a ticket. I push the cart. I push the cart. I buy some apples. I buy some apples. I check the price. I check the price. I check the price. I pay for the food. I pay for the food. I carry the bags. I carry the bags. I buy fresh bread. I buy fresh bread. I turn on my computer. I turn on my computer. I write an email. I write an email. I answer the phone. I answer the phone. I answer the phone. I write some notes. I write some notes. I read a book. I read a book. I open my notebook. I open my notebook. I write with a pen. I write with a pen. I print the paper. I print the paper. I order a coffee, please. I order a coffee, please. I read the menu. I read the menu. I read the menu. I pay the bill. I pay the bill. I eat a sandwich. I eat a sandwich. I drink hot tea. I drink hot tea. I call my friend. I call my friend. I send a message. I take a photo. I take a photo. I take a photo. I charge my phone. I charge my phone. I listen to music. I listen to music. I wash my hands with soap. I wash my hands with soap. I take my medicine. I take my medicine. I drink some water. I drink some water. I drink some water. I do my exercise. I do my exercise. I go for a walk. I go for a walk. I run in the park. I run in the park. I open my umbrella. I open my umbrella. I wear a sun hat. I wear a sun hat. It is sunny today. It is sunny today. I wear my sunglasses. I wear my sunglasses. I feed my dog. I feed my dog. I walk my dog. I walk my dog. I plant a flower. I plant a flower. I cook dinner for my family. I cook dinner for my family. I sit on the sofa. I sit on the sofa. Hello, nice to meet you. Hello, nice to meet you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I take out some money. I take out some money. I send a letter. I send a letter. I turn off the lights. I turn off the lights. I set my alarm for tomorrow. I set my alarm for tomorrow. I read before I sleep. I read before I sleep. I go to sleep. I go to sleep. Good night, sleep well. Good night, sleep well. Join our community at VitaNLingo. Go ahead and click that subscribe button right now.